Alright, so everybody knows that jibing can be very dangerous in high winds because you can lose control of the boom and it can swing around, it can hit your rigging, it can do a lot of damage. It can also, if the boat starts spinning really bad and heeling, it can hit the water. So there's another technique called the chicken jibe. And what is a chicken jibe? Well, a chicken jibe is, instead of turning your stern through the wind, you actually turn all the way around and do a tack and then bear away and come back down onto your new downwind course. So right now I'm on a starboard course and the wind is definitely picking up, and I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate a chicken jibe. So now I'm on a nice downwind course on a port tack, and that avoids you having to do a jibe, if you're afraid to do it, or if it's just you're afraid you're going to be out of control or whatever. But it's a good technique. Now I just did a regular jibe. All right, so that's the chicken jibe. As always, hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.